are drinking tea alone? No tea for you, darling. What a wonderful tea I have made. Cool down tea. Looks like she's angry with me. Pichu darling, are you upset with me? Did you do something to make me upset? No darling, I didn't do anything. If you think that you haven't done anything, then why should be I upset? If you think that you have made me angry, then I am angry. If you think that you haven't done anything, then I am not angry. Understood? Okay, Pichu. I will make tea for myself. But I am angry! And guys, you know why I am angry? Yesterday night, when we were sleeping, in sleep, Goma did this. Pichu must have cooled down by this time. I hope so. Goma यहीं आ रहा है ना? Yeah, dear, boys are like this. Before marriage, not even pamper you always. But after marriage, no value, nothing. They will make you upset only. They will do things which will annoy you. There are lots of secrets. God, he is still upset with me. Which secret he is talking about? Did she check my phone? Pichu darling, it's not like what you saw in that message. अच्छा, बात मैसेज तक पहुंच गई. कौन है वो? कौन Pichu?